pop on his own, bro. Count down.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, bitch.
New Year, baby.
Pop that thing.
Oh, shit.
Yes, sir. Happy New Year's, my guys.
Yara.
Chill out, nigga. This nigga tripping. This nigga disrespectful. This nigga Drew tripping.
This nigga Drew, man. You should. Why you ain't do that in the video, nigga? Like,
fucking beer on me.
this nigga Drew.
This nigga drinking beer, y'all.
What's up, bitch?
Hey, JD, play that motherfucking video. What's good with y'all YouTube family? Boy back at it again with another vid, you feel me? But boy currently at work, ready to get off it as always and usual, you feel me? Oh my god, bro. It's only 5. It's only 6 o'clock. Niggas still got hours here. Yeah, man. I'll fuck with y'all next soon. Y'all missing the freaky boy. Y'all, these light skins, something wrong with them. What's good with y'all, gang? Nigga back at it again with a video, you feel me? I just glad. This boy got the camera on extra zoom, you feel me? Talk y'all mess, I don't care. Say what you gotta say, I don't care, you feel me? Bye-bye. Had to get another one in for y'all, man. My nephew over there going cray. Hey, boy, bored, bro. I'm just trying to get some footage in for y'all, man. Oh, shit. I seen y'all tuning in, man. Keep tuning in on this shit, you feel me? Oh, shit. Keep tuning in on this shit, bro. It's only gonna get better. No cap. This shit. If y'all watching, y'all fucking with me and this content I'm bringing y'all fucking with this shit. I've been losing subs like a motherfucker. I ain't gonna stunt. I don't care. I just can see that shit in my motherfucking analytics. Shit like that. I can see all of that shit. I can see all of the motherfucking interaction. I can see everything basically. I lost about like 100-something subs, damn near 200-something subs. No cap. The analytics, they tell you everything. It tells you everything if you do that YouTube stuff. But yeah, man, we on. Boy, currently at this car shop, man. About to get my motherfucking truck. Check this shit out. That meatloaf for they ass. Sir, your boy back in action, you feel me? Got the truck back, you feel me? My shit running too. I would start it, but I ain't got no gas in this motherfucker. Need to go get some gas. Nigga just paid him his bread, so my shit better not have no fucking problems, bro. Just spent fucking $800 on this shit, damn near a band, you feel me? But it's all good, we gonna shake back. I'm hit y'all up next scene. Appreciate you, Brody, for fucking with me, you feel me? My boy came clutch today, clutch player. But yeah, man, I'ma fuck with y'all. What's up with y'all, man? Boys just got back to the pillar, man. Got some motherfucking. Hold on, I'm gonna flip the camera. McDonald's going down. Feel me? I only fuck with their breakfast, bro. That's the only thing I can eat from McDonald's, bro. Got 2 of these little, you know what I'm saying, sausage biscuit. Got us a Sprite to get us right. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. I have to flip the camera back on y'all. Oh, I forgot to. Gotta have that grape jelly, you know what I'm saying? Oh, excuse me. This ain't no mukbang. This is I got my truck fix video. But man, I'm about to go ahead and finish eating, you feel me? I'll message y'all in a minute. Oh shit. Pause that shit. So your boy finished eating, you feel me? I'm about to go outside and go motherfucking oh yeah, just spit. But I'm about to go outside and motherfucking clean my truck out real quick. So yeah, man. I might turn the camera up. Y'all don't see that. I might turn the camera on when I'm out there. So I'll put with y'all in a minute.
It's the vlog. Dre doing the vlog. Say what's up. Say what's happening. On YouTube one time. Tell them where you at, man. KC Mo, shout all the way out for the town, man. Tell them what's going down, man. Show them the tweet. You know? You know, it could be. You know, if you ain't know, it's really going down. You hear me?
It's Mama Duke right there. What's up with y'all, man? Happy early New Year's, my boys. We up here lit, man. Got the whole little family going, you feel me? New Year's Eve going crazy.
I love y'all girls. Y'all be cool. Y'all be good. You got a lot of girls? Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all soon.
I know I'm gonna get copyrighted this video, but oh well. I ain't tripping. Happy New Year's, man. Got mom in the cut. Mom fishing. Drew.
Look, my fish on the game.
I threw my fish on there.
Yeah, she was game.
Say what's up, gang. Say what's up, gang. Say something to him, man. Yeah. I'll catch y'all next thing.
That little. Take it.
He a man. Look at his hands. Right, like he really rapping stuff.
He gonna be a rapper.
Uh-oh.
Hey, nigga. Hey, a vlog? A vlog? That's Mama say. You doing a vlog? Motherfucker.
Oh yeah, she call it a vlog. Mama is funny.
Mama say a vlog?
There she go.
That's what I thought it was,
Hey,
a vlog.
A vlog.
You can't say, that's not how you spell.
Take the dope one out.
Y'all
Yeah,
spell
love.
weird, y'all.
Yeah, you don't know how to spell. Mama know how to spell. Mama just don't know how to count.
that nigga's just stupid.
It's the fam though, man.
No, I'm hitting it, but y'all funny. Y'all funny.
The backwards.
All these Will Smiths.
He the Will Smith.
The ox of the glue.
He the Will Smith, nigga.
Nigga,
Yeah.
I'm Uncle Phil, nigga. You better play with me. Uncle
Drip.
Phil, old nigga.
Look, drip every time. Every
Uncle
time.
Phil, nigga.
Every time I'm telling y'all.
I ain't gonna die.
Huh? Y'all see the drip,
I'm gonna
man.
be longer too, but you be longer than the old school way. See, I told her to be
A
longer.
vlog.
Nah, it's the vlog, man. What's it called? Mama, tell him.
A
Tell
vlog.
Tell him what's it called.
Vlog.
She look good, huh?
That's my mama.
That's my mama.
That's my mama. So
What's it called?
my mama look like me.
That's twin. That's twin.
A vlog.
A vlog.
It's Christmas, nigga.
Yeah.
It ain't no damn Christmas.
Christmas is today.
Yeah. Oh, my